Nakasira ng beauty mo.
Sige, magbalik ko to. Yung mo.
Diyan ako yung hindi ka dyan.
Tapay siya sa
Marap dito. Maraming oras na dito. Pero mamaya pagbalik natin.
Oras yung dito mamaya.
Yung pagbalik pa.
Magbalik mo tayo dito. Tuyok pa, di ba?
Wala.
Oras ko na.
Finding Nemo.
Taas mo na siya. Pumunta 40 minutes.
Ewan ko ba lo?
Ano yan? Awang screen ito na yan. Nakaswal.
Kato siya. Ay, Disney man to. Nasa lagi pag tali mo to. Okay, kahit 80 plus.
Basta mumukot ka.
Hindi na pwede.
Mamaya, bibigyan namin kayo ng time para. Okay.
Okay, good afternoon. Welcome aboard to Yellow Summer. By the way, our captain for this tour is a Thailander. So aside from him, Filipino captain who assisted him. So may naka-assist nga Filipino. We'll be traveling undersea along the cliff of Mactan Island. So, by the way, I am Iper, one of the captain's staff. So we will be traveling undersea along the cliff of Mactan Island at a speed of 0.5 knots. So, from Imperial Palace to Maribago Blue Water, distance is 200 meters. Distansya natin 200 meters din. The deep maximum is 40 meters yung lalim. But Yellow Submarine is possible to submerge to 100 meters, but we're only allowed for the Philippine Coast Guard and Marina 40 only. So they are very strict. No need to go down deeper. Naabot tayo ng 100 kasi limited lang yung oras natin. So only 30 to 40 minutes undersea tour. So di na kailangan kasi yung 40 meters na yan, nandyan na mga turas, makikita na natin mga isla. So for now, going there, toral side was this side. So nandito yung mga view. Tapos reminders, habang naka-submerge na tayo, bawal po tayo tumayo at saka lumipat na upuan. So kung saan po kayo pinaupo, doon lang tayo. For safety purposes.